Vulnerable late night vibes lies inside my head tonight. Demons talk when I turn off the light. Smiling for the world, broken inside. Heart full of scars, still trying to survive. I fight my thoughts, I fight my past. Every good thing never seems to last. Pain in my chest, yeah, it feels so real. Trying to heal wounds that never heal. Structure